I just received this 18-pack of seeds from Open Seed Vault, and look how awesome this is. This is 15,000 seeds, and they also are non-GMO, and they're also non-hybrid either. They also are heirloom seeds too, made in USA. And look how nice this is. So you're going to be getting a growing guide as well as this resealable bag, and then you're going to get all these seeds. And for example, you're going to get turnip seeds, red peppers, kale, watermelon, leek, lettuce, as well as broccoli, squash, summer zucchini squash, kohlrabi, purple Vienna, Utah celery, cherry bell radish, Brussels sprouts, Long Island, as well as sugar snap peas, cabbage, lettuce leaf, and also bean bush, carrots, and beets too. You can't beat that. This is an awesome set, and I can't wait to start planting them. And it's perfect timing for the year, you know, right when it's springtime is the best time to plant. And they also have a growing guide. So it's going to show you when is the best time to plant for all these seeds, as well as how to store the seeds too. Because after it's time to harvest the seeds, you can collect the seeds and use it year after year. So you won't even have to buy any more seeds. You can just keep using the seeds. So that's really nice, and it teaches you how to do this. And this is also very easy to plant and grow with step-by-step instructions. And here's all the seeds ready to plant. And here is our sugar snap peas. They are already doing so good. Here's a close-up of the growing guide with step-by-step instructions for all the different items, and they're alphabetically ordered from lettuce to lima beans and so forth. And they also have an area here, how to save the seeds. Perfect. And this is what the seed packets look like. For example, this is turnip seeds, 7 grams, and it even tells you the lot number and when it's packed for. Perfect. I'm definitely excited for this, and I think you're gonna like it too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful. Happy gardening!